$20.500 in kürzester Zeit. Keine 2,5 Stunden hat der Trade gedauert. Aber was ist die Wahrheit dahinter? Was ist die Story dahinter und welches Risiko lag dem Ganzen zugrunde? Das ist entscheidend. Und wenn du diese Kombination zusammensetzt und in der Lage bist, einmal ein Produkt in voller Gänze und Umfang zu durchdringen, so fühlst du dich bei einem solchen Trade viel freier und hast auch die Geduld, deine Gewinnstrecken laufen zu lassen. Und genau das erkläre ich dir hier Punkt für Punkt, sodass du in der Lage bist, in der Zukunft solche Geschichten für dich zu reproduzieren. Ich habe dieses Video auf Englisch aufgezeichnet, daher ist dort ein deutscher Untertitel drunter. Aber mein Englisch ist sehr rudimentär und sei gewiss, du wirst alles verstehen und es wird dir ganz viel Freude bereiten. Viel Spaß damit. So let's look together what happened today. I will give you a quick and dirty explanation about my tradings. And I have prepared a nice combination with Nasdaq and also with Nvidia. Nvidia had made the earnings running up to this level from my B profile. And if you understand the B profile, you will understand that we know on the top we will go back to the low of this price. We opened here, we're running up, and now we're going deeper. And I think we will fix this level later. Not today, but we will see it. For all the time, we are under 196, sorry. If we go over it and have new supply and demand, we will make new highs. But for me, it was much more interesting to put a trade inside from Nasdaq. Why? Here you can see my trade entries, and I have luck with my stop loss that it doesn't run. We have 3 highs, and after it, it is normal that we go deeper than the first high. But this is technical stuff. You have to think about that was a range from yesterday, and that was a range from the previous time slot. And I think if we go under this range, inside of this range, it is time to put your positions inside. And now we are running. And what has happened here? I have put here my trades inside, 2 positions I put outside. I earn a lot of money with this trade because I feel very comfortable with it. And you have to wait because it is not good to go too early outside when I make a change like this. And I explained it a few times before that I think the Max 7 will corrugate very deep. And now we are going. I waited for the earnings of Nvidia, and this is my first trade on the top. And I think it is very, very cool. I will explain you a little bit more about my ideas, what happened here. And I will give you a combination that everybody is able to understand what I have done here. And I make it with a screenshot for you. It is a little bit easier to explain for me because I think everybody will be able to understand my thoughts behind. At first, I looked what happened here. We're going very strong up. Nothing of supply and demand was here in this trend. This is the reason that I think we will go very deep. Also, we're going over this P and we're running now inside again. That was my idea, to go down, very hard down, very deep down now at first, but also if you look into the CASA profiles, the cash profiles, cash session, you have here a lot of profiles, yes, and we're going over it. And then back again with single print. We close it. We go deeper. And now we have here the next level from the last 2 profiles with the value highs and anything else. But the important thing for me was that we have nothing of liquidity at the tops. And then we're going again on the top. And then big pressure and big selling is coming. And this is the real point you have to go inside if you understand the story behind the market profile. If you understand the story, if a P will broke, and if you understand that a trend like this, the opportunity is high, that it's go back again like this. Here are the low volume prices. It's able that we will have a little stop here, but yes, you have to be patient in this time, and the market will run. And now we see it is running and running and running. Here is my level that I think I have to close my position, but I will look how much volume I will get here at the low. Now the exhaustion is coming, and I will think about to close my position now if it is going very strong and hard down. And we will see the speed is going down, 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 down. Also, I look deeper into the S&P 500 here on the left side. It broke also my levels, you can see it. And we are now in a very, very interesting location. And let us look together what happened now. And if we look here, you can see that was the last P profile from yesterday. And now I decide to go out when I see nothing of volume is coming now. The same I do here on the left side with S&P, and I decide to close my position now. And now, what has happened here? Look here, what we have also. We have one red candle here. And if we have one red candle and the push is coming, that was the last level here on the left side in the 30 minutes time frame, where the market will make a stop. And this is cool for us when we see something like this. So now my position is closed, and let us think together about a trade like this. What was important? Here was my entry, my stop loss was here, and I have luck that it is not going away for my first two positions. After it, if we go deeper than my last range, I decide for the next short trade. What is with my risk? My risk was at first like this, and then the next risk was here. Why? Because I never wait if we go back again over these price levels. And what is my win now? My win was this, and the next was this. And this is lovely because I have a risk from 1 and a take profit from 6 and from 4.5. These are the best trades I can make for myself, because now I can make 5 stop losses and I have money. This is the real reason how you can think about your trading. And now we have to wait. It is possible that we go deeper and deeper. It is very aggressive. And I will give you the story behind a little bit deeper. Yesterday we make an analysis of all Max 7. And here it is now very interesting to see. That was my line. I talked to everybody. We have to wait what happened here. Here and also on the top. And here you can see the gap in Tesla was the same. And now we got a lot of pressure at this reaction level. And if you think about the Max 7 are so big in S&P and in Nasdaq inside. And if I have in the stocks, in the big stocks, intelligent stories like today with Nvidia, like the gap, like no action after the open, no value is coming, no volume is coming. And then I look for the other places like Tesla and anything else. And I decide for a trade in Nasdaq because I know it will be very weak. And that was the story. And I think the story was amazing good.